A dollop of whipped cream is delicious on oatmeal, berries, just about anything. Let's make whipped cream together. Here's our home economics breakdown. A 14-ounce canister of whipped cream is $4.65. 1 pint of heavy whipping cream is only $3.87, saving you 78 cents. It's also going to make quite a bit more than 14 ounces of whipping cream. You also don't have any of the added ingredients like monodiglycerides, cellulose gel or gum, or maltodextrin. And our time investment? Less than 5 minutes. A quart-sized mason jar works great to prevent splashing when you mix. Remember, don't overfill your jar or bowl because the whipping cream will whip up. You can add the powdered sugar if desired, but it's not necessary.